Okay guys, this is the new lineup. All new bikes. All those are 500s down there. But some nice bikes in here in stock. Just got in a couple of Iron 883s in here. Heritage. Nice. It's all new, baby. Just got off the truck. Yep. Just got off the truck. Nice. Got some more in there, but those are service vehicles. Alright guys, Orlando Harley Davidson, 3770 37th Street. You're having a flash giveaway. First 25 people come in and tag Lauren gets a prize. So we're going to find out in a few minutes what that prize is. Let's see, can we get one? Get that. Yeah, I'm here to pick up my bike. That's in front of the shifter. Hey, stay tuned guys, I'll show you what's up.